idiot. All your popcorn in a run under the order. You look a bridge in them the side of you in a done blocks. One of your bridge in them I couldn't even believe. You rule with popcorn and the whole of
Popcaan catch pretty done like a stray mongrel wagwan when they and welcome forward to the TV. Yo. Pretty done just give thanks to your Popcaan your box still for if you box cause sizzler them and you don't know sizzler them rasta them not play enough for you. You don't know you this up Columbia certain way you see it. So you don't know if you new around your member for like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV for future upload, and you can check me up on Instagram and on Facebook at Sandy and Bones TV. And this is just a little small warning today. You don't know the content creator them and the influencer them on TikTok and YouTube. Just be careful of how you diss people, you see it. When they buck in the street, a different thing. Now your Popcaan say to Pretty Dan and him crew, you could have left them up in the hills and nobody not find them. And don't know if you want to watch the full video, you don't know so up on Pretty Dan page that day, you see it.
bank robber deal with your back, so me know say your back a pain your dog. Your clocks rub off, no bottom your and you there you chuck badness and a wall up waist dog. And them thing them I tell them in general. If you are par with me, your clocks bottom them have to look like my clocks bottom them dog. You're a big international waist man, all the big belly one in a marina. You see it? You shape like when all you popcorn, me can't believe you 5 foot nothing. You jump out, I intimidate a man. I tell you that straight. Only girl people, you think they must say, oh, Popcaan should have boxed me. I would have boxed your back, Papi, come big eye. Me not take no box from your Popcaan, I tell you that. Your man Popcaan raise up him. The man then about 19 man. For me and Bobby, Biggs. And me I tell you say Biggs Mahaga. They don't know why we call Biggs Biggs. Me say Papi and him 19 man, me say baby mother. Jesus, me say people say the baby water broke. A lie. Yes, the woman did traumatized because if you tell this woman say you won't left them in the hills, me say Jesus Christ. What is wrong with Popcaan? Oh, the grace of God. Me see him here like a run up here, pray for your lover and pray for me too. Eh? Hey man said, like it's a God, me the left you and your friend them up here saying I heals them. A big threat them they no Popcaan. Popcaan, let me tell you this. Yes, it does with the mere fox here. We call it a X6, yeah, me say a X6 ghost ride wicked. I would time me see ghost ride it, slow down car, them the time they for me they hang out a car like dog. They wonder what they hang out a car stuff about anyway, yeah, me they hang out. So the car slow down. Like you can know say oh say ever in a car, can know say oh over yesterday my pray. So same time I say, yo, he look like the boy Popcaan that you know like him yes me in a place. You see me I say? See that we laugh it off, we gone to Portland and buy the food and we forward back and about 3 days later we say we go a river and thing, you know. We say, yo, me never really know say dog go on a river straight. Me no, that not even the funny atlas. You see me, not even the past. I mean, if me didn't know say this a man you own one river, what the clock me I do down there? You see me? Anyway. You know, I say we are going a river. I come from, so I go ready for go a river. I stop a one local shop and we buy a couple donut and all the donut there, they don't get forget near one thing. Donut and juice and the whole of them thing. But we stop for a little moment, so I don't know if at that time somebody see me and say, yo, when I go call Popcaan and tell Popcaan say, yo, Dan, there. You see me? And they look like Dan I go grow on a hand roll the river. So when we turn to one look a bridge, this so now boom about 3 minutes in the driving or 2 minutes. Where? Like you can hear the car them a drive down hard, but when we look back, I want big truck like one Chevy. Like one Chevy or you know them big van them man. I push down on the axiom. So me say, I drive with them her. We are guys same place. You feel me? I deal with, but two of them a dash down car the van pan the axiom. I say, no man, this serious. This I look like more than just blood. I know. He dog goes up, woman. I say, and I floor it and I gun and them a forward. See him we are wicked. So we go up, woman, reach and roll the river. Some Bobby goes a woman park, he car right time out of the river right there. So space in the right there so for the car them park. I share them, 2 van and 1 car behind the 2 van them, You see me? Same time on the park, I be arcing. Beep, 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 beep. So we say, probably a pass, then can't pass. You feel me at this, so Bobby come out of the car. When Bobby come out of the car, me come out to the back door and come round the car, round on the rear side. When we come out of the car, me and Bobby ending up on the driver side of the car. Same time now, we see the 2 back here, the 1 back van and the back car. Car door open hard. And I got jump out and say, yo, I want to do this, sir. Now I lift up, I say, bumbo clot. Me not tell you no lie. I never say nothing. I just walk me. Me walk. Because at the time, me, Bobby, Biggs, Jada, and Cheyenne pregnant. A Jada best friend, that a Bobby girlfriend. You feel me a deal? It's a the whole of we apart, It's a pregnant girl. You feel me a deal? And not even like say it's an entourage away, you see me? So boom, as me reach at the back light, you go around the back door now. Me see a blood clot, he look man just leap out I car, bad man. What time I say man leap out, bad man leap. He dog leap out, so. I say, hot tire. You feel me? When the dog jump out, Bex, it's like you can see Bex station in Nigeria, You feel me I deal with? And he said, pretty done. How you are doing on my place? And say, how you are doing on my place? Me see up on the internet, you diss my sister. Couple times well and look at it now, You catch you on my place like stray dog. Him say, oh, we evil for true, We dark. We dark pretty. Me I tell you that pretty than the dark. Me left you and your friend them up here saying that them woods. Nobody fear can't find you. Nobody at all. You and your friend them, we left them up here so right now. Man say, you. Me have to catch you in my place like stray dog. And look at that, Man say, go on, man. Enjoy the river. But, go. The dog send me go down a wish party, bust so then they to. Down there say you can't even swim down there, sir, bumbo clad, you don't think down there, sir, moras. A moras alone down there, sir. So the dog said, go and go enjoy the river, Remember, I river this right, yes, brother. And the man tell me, say, yo, enjoy the river, but go down there. So one time I tell us, the man say, go down there. And me I tell us, the man say, go down there. So which part the moras and busso and the whole of the debris and them they sitting there, bad man. So instantly from the dog said that, the dog I say, lift up. The dog don't make you know, so the grace of God. When the man tell me, say, yo, the grace of God make him not left me and my friend them up in the hills right now. When the dog said that to me, I couldn't even believe it. Do I just stand up and look on Popcaan, so. Because at the end of the day, the only thing me I think about is me can't believe that Popcaan catch me, I'm unable to bomb bag. And me I tell you, say, just see one time the man move from in front of me, me say the man leap over the little blood. It's like a little farm and it have one little, you see me, like a little fence and the dog leap over it, and there's still over there prawns. But it's like what we are driving in a father. It's like the man I say, come back. The place narrow, brother. The whole of the unruly car, them and the unruly badness, they right here. So one little that axe here we have bad man. The dog I say, come back. You don't know if it direct nobody. One of them